Yes, indeedy. I was supposed to paint today, but I haven't done any painting yet. And now I've got to look at an electrical issue upstairs here. And why didn't I paint? Well, Momi, she had some furniture delivered today. And let's go in the master bedroom. Look at this. That's awesome. Wow, that's tall. And the reason why it's tall, because she decided to get the mattress that had kind of a topping on it. And the box springs, look how thick the box springs is. It's only about 1.5 inches thick because it was raised up. And sometimes you gotta figure certain things out at the store before something comes. This is up kind of high, but we're gonna live with it. I don't mind getting up on that. I'll be fine with it. I'm gonna sleep like a baby on this thing. And so she got some other furniture, so of course I had to be here waiting for that. And before they put it down, we just got this carpet installed, so I wanted to make sure that all the loose strands up next to the baseboard and underneath the different areas were all vacuumed. So I ran back here and got that all vacuumed up and stuff before the installers got here. And right as soon as I was done, they got here, and we got another unit here. Momi picked this stuff out. I think it's kind of different. It's kind of cool looking. And look at this thing here, Tempur-Pedic, and it says firm. That thing is almost hard as a rock, and it's supposed to depress. You know, that's still depressed down in there. See there? Look at that. But not up on top. And she laid on it, and she's not sure if she even likes it now. So I'm not sure what's going to happen to that. We just got it, and some of the stuff, one of the lamps was damaged and something else was damaged, so we know they have to come out again. So she's kind of on the fence about that. And so I'm not sure. I'm not sure what's going to happen with that. And here's another thought for you. This was a condo, and the staircase, you know, has a ceiling down it like that. Well, believe it or not, it took 3 of us to get this king mattress pad up here, and they weren't quite sure if they could get it in. They actually had, we pushed it up there, and they actually had to kind of bend it from here down. It was a bear to get up here. 3 of us were huffing and puffing, bending it and trying to maneuver it one step at a time. And you know, this is supposed to be a Cal King. And did you know there's an Eastern King too? And I thought, well, maybe we should have got an Eastern King. What's the difference between a Cal King and an Eastern King? Do you even know? Well, the Cal King is narrower on widthwise, and it's longer. Okay? An Eastern King is a little bit shorter in length, and it's actually wider. And so sometimes, like I had a place in Maui, they had to use Eastern Kings because there was a wall about right here, and there was a dresser there. And had they had a Cal King, there wouldn't have been enough room to walk through there. And because they were able to get the Eastern Kings, that gave them, oh, I don't know, 4 or 5 inches shorter overall. So it was barely enough room. So there you go. Who knew, right? And so we got it through there. Okay, the mundane things that you get to take care of when you're doing a renovation. This is just one of the things that you should kind of be aware of. Now look at that, it fit right on down in there nicely, I think. Oh, maybe not. There we go. Okay, and now I could just kind of lift the carpet out a little bit and make sure it kind of looks like somebody didn't just shove it right in, right? Okay, there. That looks good, and I know it's cleaned out. I know this is adjusted, and the heat's going to come out this way rather than up against the wall. Everything's adjusted properly. I'll do a once over vacuuming on this, and I'll call that good. And then I'm gonna go back, double check these two, and I'll show you another one in the other room. I haven't done that one yet, and I want to see. I'm kind of curious if there's any remnants in there. Of course there's going to be, right? I'm going to show you that one in a minute.